Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification virus from your BLACKVIEW tab 6. So to start, if you see something like that in your notification bar, or something like that when trying to visit inside, that means you have a notification software. And we can try to remove it by two ways: system settings and antivirus app. So I'm gonna show you the first method. Open the settings, open the apps and notifications, and tap on the CL apps. Now check the list, and if you see something strange, the app that you have not installed by yourself, the app that you not recognize the name, just select it and choose install, tap on the OK, and after that go back to the app list and look for your web browser. Tap on the storage and cache and choose the clear storage. Now tap on the clear all data and tap on the OK. After that your web browser shall be free from notification software. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to download antivirus app, so go to the Play Store and look for the best antivirus app for you. I'm already using Avast, so we can launch it now. And in this application, tap on the Continuous Free and tap on the green circle. Click on the OK and add a permission to the files. After that, go back, the scan started, and after that, all of the unwanted softwares should be removed from your tablet. And that's it. Thanks for watching, do us a like or a comment, and goodbye.